Hey, sheet shakers. It's Big Sheeter here, Andrew, and I just want to sort of show you something that's really cool is these using emojis as bullet points. How I do it is literally just copy paste from Emojipedia. That's weird. And then like a couple things to make them look way nicer. I format them so that they are to the right. I format the text or align the text to the left so that they all match up. And then, oops, did something weird there. And then, this is like a really cool implementation that I saw in another sheet, where instead of doing a header, like usually it's like up here, right? We can create this really big block, and I merge all of those rows vertically. And so now we have this really nice like left to right not alignment, but like what you call it, sort of just aligns the eye to say, "Oh, sparkle over here." Like it, it takes in both. We read up and down, but we also read left to right. I think it makes a really cool way to break up a list, and then adding some white space in between these groups. And then the second part is that I do a little bit higher row height over here. Let me move my face over here. I add a little row height, and that gives it a little white space around each of these items. Obviously, I do view and then click on the grid line, so it's actually hiding the grid lines. And they look really, really nice. Hopefully, this helps you make some cool lists in Google Sheets. Bye.